sundara. In Sanskrit, one of the oldest languages on earth, that word means one thing: beautiful. When the naturalist Brian Hodgson first encountered this bird in the forest of Nepal in 1837, he did not reach for a complex description. He did not catalogue its measurements or debate its taxonomy. He simply named it what it was: Niltava sundara, the beautiful Niltava. Nearly 2 centuries later, that name still holds. Look at it, deep cobalt blue across the head, back and wings, the kind of blue that shifts and shimmers as the light moves across it. A throat so dark it dissolves into shadow, and below, a blaze of warm rufous orange burning across the entire belly like an ember caught in the wind. This is not camouflage, this is a statement. The Rufous-bellied Niltava belongs to the family Musicapidae, the old world flycatchers, a family that has produced some of the most beautiful small birds on the planet. But even within that company, Niltava sundara stands apart. Hodgson was right. He was simply right. The male is compact and upright, a stocky, broad-billed bird measuring between 15 and 18 centimeters and weighing barely 24 grams. He carries himself with a stillness that makes him look sculpted rather than alive. That electric blue is not pigment, it is structure. Microscopic feather architecture that bends and scatters light, producing a color that changes with every shift of angle. In deep forest shadow, he almost disappears. In a shaft of morning light, he ignites. The female is a different world entirely, brown above, with warm rufous tones on her wings and tail, a clean white throat strap, and if you look closely, on the side of her neck, a small, quiet crescent of blue, the same blue as his, just enough to tell you exactly who she belongs to. She is not dull, she is the forest floor-made feather, and she wears it with equal purpose. The Rufous-bellied Niltava is a bird of the mountains, dense broadleaf montane forest, where the canopy is thick, the undergrowth is tangled, and the air carries the smell of moss and cold water. In Pakistan, it inhabits the forested slopes of the northwestern Himalayas, the hills above Maray, the deep valleys of Azad Kashmir, the wooded ridges of Kaghan. Typically found between 1,800 and 3,000 meters above sea level, it descends to lower elevations as winter arrives and the cold pushes down from the high passes. It hunts in the classic flycatcher manner, perching absolutely still, upright watching, then launching in a sudden burst of motion to take an insect from the air or drop to the ground before returning to the exact same branch. Patient, precise, unhurried. Its diet is mostly insects, beetles, ants, small arthropods, occasionally fruit. It moves through the forest alone or in pairs, and in the non-breeding season joins mixed species flocks, traveling alongside warblers and laughing thrushes, all working the same stretch of woodland together. Listen before you look. A series of high, piercing metallic whistles, clean and sharp, rising through the trees. Once you know that sound, the forest opens up in a way it never did before. Come spring, the Rufous-bellied Niltava claims its patch of forest and gets to work. Breeding runs from April through June across the Himalayan range. The nest is a careful construction, a compact cup of moss, plant fibers, and fine rootlets, pressed into a crevice in a mossy bank, a rock face, or a low tree hollow, hidden, deliberate, built as close to invisible as the forest allows. In the breeding season, that extraordinary plumage becomes something more than beautiful. It becomes functional, a signal of fitness, a territorial marker, a declaration to every rival male within earshot that this piece of Himalayan forest is spoken for. For a few weeks each year, the mountain undergrowth becomes the stage for one of nature's quietest, most private dramas, played out in blue and orange, in moss and shadow. There is a detail about this bird that Pakistan can claim as its own. The subspecies found here, Niltava sundara whistleri, was first formally described in 1926 by the ornithologist Ticehurst. The type locality, the very place from which the subspecies was named, was Murray. These hills, this forest, this exact kind of morning. A subspecies of Niltava sundara carries the address of the Pakistani Himalayas in its scientific record, and yet this bird remains almost entirely unfilmed within Pakistan. The forests of Neelum Valley, Kagan, and the Mari Hills hold populations that have rarely been captured on camera. Sundara. Brian Hodgson chose that word in 1837 and placed it into the scientific record forever. Not a number, not a measurement, a judgment. In a world that increasingly struggles to justify the protection of what it cannot price, this bird carries its own argument in its name, beautiful, and that, perhaps, should be enough.